it's Profit Dr. Ben, and I'm here to explain to you how to use the Health Wealth Flip Tracker. Okay, so first of all, of course, you need to sign up for the challenge to get the tracking tool, as well as future videos and updates and so forth. An easy way to do this is healthwealthflip.com and follow us on Instagram and YouTube. That's Investor Girl Brit, Empowered by Ginger, and Profit Dr. Ben. Okay, so the purpose of the 90-day challenge is to up-level your health and mindset to build health, wealth, and happiness. Now, some of you ninjas out there are already doing all this stuff, know all about it, and great for you. What most of us are doing is we know a lot of these ideas, but we are not doing them. So we are going to put in place a personal transformation best practice, which is number one, identify keystone winning behaviors, create a plan to do them, set a goal on how frequently we're going to do them, track our performance daily, and improve our performance to meet those goals. Awesome. This is a really simple concept, but it's rarely practiced. So it's a good thing that you legends are ready for the challenge and ready to be in action. Okay, pro tip. One of the best ways to actually follow through on this kind of a challenge or any challenge is to tell your friends and family and colleagues what you have in mind for yourself and enroll them in holding you accountable to your own goals. So publicly announcing your goals on Facebook and Instagram and whatever, especially telling that one friend who's going to give you shit for months if you flake out, and then inspire some of your friends to join with you and coach and mentor them so that they know how to do it as well. All of these things will really boost your compliance and give you the kind of self-accountability to win this challenge. Okay, if you do these behaviors for 90 days, you will be building winning habits to help you win at life. A friend, for example, recently asked me, hey, I know I've been doing these healthy eating habits, but how long should I stick with it? And I suggested to them to think through, well, how long do you want to live? And in what shape do you want to be in your 50s and 60s and 70s and 80s? And he thought about it and he was like, maybe I need to stick with these habits for the long term, not just do like a 30-day crash diet. And that is the same thing with these behaviors. Eating well, exercise, sleeping effectively, moderating your consumption of alcohol, and having a powerful morning and evening routine are not the kind of habits or behaviors that you want to do for 5 days, 10 days, 30 days. These are the kind of things that are going to elevate your mood, energy, joy, health, and happiness forever, as long as you keep doing them. Okay, great. So this video assumes that you've already signed up and gotten the tracking tool. So we've optimized the tool for mobile data entry. You can go and do it on your laptop, particularly if you're going to do any spreadsheet surgery, but day in and day out, tracking your breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc., way better to do on your mobile phone. Okay, so we talked about it's a 90-day challenge, which means 3 months. So we've got 3 blocks on the tool, one for each month. Each block is about 22 rows. The top half is for body and the bottom half is for mind. So on the top chunk for body, there's 4 rows for healthy eating, then it's exercise and movement, alcohol, and then 2 rows for sleep because it's so darn important. And then the bottom chunk is for mindset, and it's basically the same 4 things, which is the routine done twice. So it's a morning routine, which is really win the day, and it's an evening routine, which is win the night. Winning the night is really code for winning the next day. Okay, each time you complete a task, you can pop open your phone and check the box. Okay, the last 5 columns all the way over to the right are like your totals for the month, your streaks, and your performance against goals. Okay, great. So while eating well, taking care of your body and mind doesn't guarantee winning at life, it's a heck of a lot better than the alternative. So please share with us how you're doing. We are doing this in order to help others, and it's a lot more fun and rewarding for us when people who are getting helped aren't keeping it a secret. So comment on the videos, reply to us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and tell your friends, because when other people have crazy, awesome, huge wins and get their friends to do it and they have the huge wins, boy, it's a lot more fun for us. Okay, so we will continue to create detailed individual videos for each of the rows in the challenge to give you a little bit more insight on what we had in mind and to help you take your practice to the next level. You can also see those videos at healthwealthflip.com on the resources tab, as well as at ProfitDoctor Ben in YouTube. All right, flippers, rock it, guys.